Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete the Yahoo Finance account. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Yahoo app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the option of account. Now simply select it. And here you can find the account name right here. Now simply tap on it. After selecting it, select the Manage Accounts option right here. Then here you can find the option of Edit at the top. Now simply open it. Then here you can find the option of Remove. Now simply tap on it. Now again tap on to remove and your account will be deleted from the Yahoo Finance. And that's it. This is how you can delete the Yahoo Finance account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.